Women of color face greater exposure to toxic ingredients used in beauty and
Unfortunately, this is a sad but true reality. Products made for black women have a bunch of bullshit in them. Hi, my name is Naja. I'm the owner of FEM-NO-OR, which means black women in French, and I make products that are here to help black women grow, moisturize, and manage their natural hair. And I'm going to show you how to actually read your ingredients labels so you don't get fooled. First thing you want to do is look for this section here that says no sulfates, no parabens, or whatever it is. It might even say sulfate free, paraben free. Whatever it is, that's what you're going to look for. The second thing you're going to do is actually go to your ingredients list. The ingredients are listed from the product that it has the most in to the product that it has the least of. So in this case, this has the most shea butter and the least fragrance oil. That's right here at the bottom. Now, here's another tip. So anything that falls below the preservative or the fragrance listing on the product, well, there's next to nothing, like 1%, sometimes less, of that ingredient in your product. That's what we like to call kiss marketing, because there's only a kiss, a smidge of that ingredient. Let's look at Cantu and see how their product stacks up. Here's the Cantu coconut curling cream. It does have a section saying it doesn't have any sulfates or silicones, so that's good. But let's look at the ingredients on the back. In their ingredient list, the third row first product is phenoxyethanol. That's a preservative. Everything that comes after that, all of this information here, there could be 1% or less of those ingredients. So that includes the almond oil, the coconut oil, the grapeseed oil. All of that is hype marketing. So this Cantu product is mostly water, canola oil, glycerin, perfume, and preservative. Moral of the story, read your ingredient labels and buy from black women, because black women, well, we look out for other black women.